मीडिया को हमारे सारे किरदारों से रूबरू करवाता हूँ। चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य का किरदार निभा रहे हैं रजत टोकस। नंदिनी का किरदार निभा रही हैं श्वेता वासु प्रसाद। मूरा का किरदार निभा रही हैं पापिया सेन गुप्ता। राजा पद्मानंद का किरदार निभा रहे हैं अर्पित रंका। और चाणक्य का किरदार निभा रहे हैं मनोज कोल्हटकर।
जोधा अकबर के बाद मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा था कि क्विकली मेक अ नाइस माइथोलॉजिकल और हिस्टोरिकल, बिकॉज आपको वो स्पेस थोड़ा पता है। सर एक्चुअली नहीं, बट आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस अबाउट द स्पेस। मैंने 1 साल लगा दिया, बहुत शोज़ पे काम किया, कुछ रेजोनेट नहीं हुआ मेरे कहीं ना कहीं मेरे क्रिएटिव सेंसिबिलिटीज़ के साथ। और फिर आई वॉज लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू टेल इट स्टोरी ऑफ इंडिया। हमारा जो देश है वो एक टाइम पे सोने की चिड़िया बुलाया जाता था, और दिस इज़ प्री द इन्वेजन which I also call like a terrorist attack of the foreigners that came into India. What India was and how Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya helped win back, at least for a couple of centuries, the glory of India. So this is actually a story about this great nation, the mother, the woman, the female form of India. I mean, India is female in form, Bharat in Hindi में कहते हैं. But it's also about what we think of Mother India and how we conceived her at that time, and how her relationship with Chandragupta grew with every era, and how history was written. Then I saw this little piece in history which didn't find place, that Chandragupta as a political married Henlana, and one daughter that Padmanand had, which was, her name was Nandini or Kalyani, and there are many names to her. I said we've always had kings and we've had queens जिनकी stories हमने सुनी है जो war पे गई हैं, but गृहिणी जो एक रानी भी होती है, उसका उस king के psyche पे कितना effect होता है, especially if she has an important place in his life, वो हमने कभी नहीं देखा. So we decided, it was Gaurav's idea actually, to say not to call it only Chandragupta Maurya, because when a king excelled this way, there was a woman behind him or with him by his side. So the show was called Chandranandini. And ये एक interesting story है क्योंकि इसमें एक historical character है जो मुझे बहुत fascinate करता है, जिसका नाम है चाणक्य. और चाणक्य की physicality से ज़्यादा उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स, उसकी सेंसिबिलिटीज़ इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग थी. उसके इंटेलेक्ट के बारे में हमने सबने सुना है, उसकी नीतियों के बारे में हमने सुना है, वो कैसे थे, कैसे रहते थे, उनके रहन सहन और उनकी सोच के बारे में बहुत कम पता है. तो आई होप दिस शो ब्रिंग्स अबाउट एंड ब्रिंग्स टू लाइट द मोस्ट प्रोफिलिक कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री, चाणक्य. सो आई एम होपिंग दैट be it mentor prodigy Chanakya, Chandragupta, be it two people who were forced into a marriage because of a political alliance, that's Chandranandini, be it a woman who loses everything to a man and then finds love with that man only, to Chandragupta who decides to win back his country's old name and fame. It's a tribute to various roles people play today, found in characters at that time. Chandragupta is a leader I hope our country has one day.
एकता, ये शो आपने इसके रिसर्च के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और इसमें कितना फिक्शन आपने यूज़ किया है, और चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य ने 24 साल शासन किया था, तो कितना उनकी लड़ाइयाँ दिखा रही हैं या खाली प्रेम कहानी पे फोकस रहेगा?
देखिए, कहानी में फिक्शन आप कहेंगे तो हाँ, बहुत सारा फिक्शन होगा, बिकॉज ह्यूमैनिटी ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स हैज़ टू बी डेवलप्ड, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी फाउंड इन हिस्ट्री. आप अगर कोई भी हिस्ट्री बुक पकड़ेंगी तो आपको सिर्फ पॉइंटर्स मिलेंगी कि इस ईयर में ये हुआ, इस ईयर में ये हुआ. So you have to create characters and you have to create stories around it, because if I have to bring out a life, I have to do it. That's the beauty of narrating history. You have to get perspective to it, you know, and not only focus on the historical elements, which are the various tentpole events in their life, which of course you have to address, but you have to bring it in a new storytelling way. That's where the challenge lies. As far as research goes, there's Bodhiji here who's done a lot of research. As far as most of the show goes, he's in every meeting. He knows that we actually would not want to bring out anything that's not true. So, to the point of actually losing the plot of how to write the next episode, because there's so many books have so many versions. We've actually spent hours in sitting and deciding that, okay, which is the most authentic version, done research, and then gone ahead and made our story. So, yeah, there is at every level a lot of authenticity. But yes, I will not run away from the fact that it is a story told with between events. So you know that he started ruling at this age, and from this age to this age, he went into this war. But what happened day to day will be created with your perception of what you think this man would have been, because of the way he ruled. Seeing every event in his life, you actually come to know the kind of personality he had. And that's what I've tried to do.
This is your second outing when it comes to a grand historical show, and you have Rajat as your lead again. So can we say that Rajat is your blue-eyed boy?
No, you just have to say Rajat is my blue-eyed boy, because Rajat is probably Indian television's blue-eyed boy. I mean, I'm just one small part of it. He is probably one of the most popular, and clearly, I mean, I get badgered all over my Instagram because of him. One of the most, what should I say, revered and loved young actors. So he's my blue-eyed boy, yes, but he's also Indian television's blue-eyed boy. I can't even tell you the kind of fans he has who wait for him, and he is so hardworking and so diligent with his work that it's a pleasure to work with him.
एकता रजत को बादशाह अकबर से काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो चुके हैं, तो ऐसे में जब उनको नए किरदार में लाओगे तो कितना वक्त लगेगा लोगों को इन्हें एज अ चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए? कितना वर्क किया है इसके ऊपर?
तो 1 साल बीत गया। अकबर, जलालुद्दीन अकबर का रोल इन्होंने अदा किया था। 1 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया ना, वी बीन ऑफ एयर। बट अभी तक लोगों की माइंड्स में वो कैरेक्टर बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है। आई एग्री विथ यू। बट 2 अलग अलग हिस्टोरिकल कैरेक्टर्स हैं। जलालुद्दीन वॉज अ मैन हु वॉज क्रूर फर्स्ट, हु बिकेम Akbar the Great because of years of learning. I think Chandragupta was a young rags to riches story. He was not a child prodigy. He wasn't a child inheritor of a big empire and then didn't know how to handle so much money. He made it on his own. A rags to riches king who was chosen by the most intelligent man of our times, Chanakya, to fight the biggest empire of his time. And the reason Chanakya chose him, because as a young man he had bravery and respect for his people and valor. So the qualities that Chandragupta has were inherent. What came to what came to Akbar was through wisdom and probably his love for a Hindu woman. What came to Chandragupta was teachings, was mentoring. And actually, what probably at one point became his biggest dichotomy was his love. His love came in the way of his mentor and him. It wasn't that his love mentored him. So they're 2 very different men. And I think 2 very strong, revered, different men. But different lives create different men.
एक और सवाल, आज ही शो लॉन्च हुआ है और आज ही से एक नेगेटिव खबर आने लग गई है कि रजत और उनके डायरेक्टर शांताराम से कुछ अनबन हो गई, उनको निकाला गया। आप किस तरह से लेते हैं इस खबर को? और कितनी सच्चाई है
खबरों को खबरों की तरह लेती हूँ। आज ही शो लॉन्च हो इसलिए आज ही खबर आई।
तो यानी कि वो पब्लिसिटी थी स्टोरी?
मुझे नहीं पता, लिखी जिसने उससे पूछ लीजिए।
शांताराम जी काम नहीं कर रहे हैं?
शांताराम नहीं है, संतराम।
संतराम, सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन।
संतराम जी मेरा दूसरा शो करेंगे। सो एज आई सेड, हमारे सेट्स पे 5 डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो बहुत सारा काम करते हैं। कोई एक शो करता है, कोई दूसरे शो में जाता है। एज आई सेड, इस पे आप अगर कम सोचिए और शो पे ज़्यादा सोचिए तो मज़ा आएगा।
थैंक यू।
एक था नंदिनी के कैरेक्टर के लिए श्वेता का सिलेक्शन कैसे किया आपने? 1, हाँ। सेकेंड इसकी आपने चाणक्य के कैरेक्टर पे काफ़ी फोकस किया कि वो आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं और उसको आप एक उनका जो एटीट्यूड या वो है उसको आप दिखाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उस पर हमने एक पूरा सीरियल भी देखा है, एक पूरा सीरियल भी बन चुका है उनके ऊपर ही, फिर अशोका में भी वो किरदार था। तो किस तरीके से डिफरेंट या अलग तरीके से आप पेश करने वाले हो?
हर कहानी में किरदार की एंट्री, उसका रोल जो प्ले होता है, उससे आप उस किरदार को अलग देखेंगे. बिकॉज एक स्टोरी में अगर आपने अकबर को देखा इन another show, you would find him different than Akbar in a whole solely led by Akbar show. So it's all about who I could be the heroine of my story, but vamp in somebody else's life. So that's the way it is. But how did I choose Shweta? We had a round of auditions. A lot of actors auditioned, and then we saw Shweta's audition. She was fabulous. I immediately saw her and said, "Oh my God, my Kahani child has grown up." And I said, "Definitely." Of course, I'd seen her Iqbal also, but yeah, she's a brilliant actor. देखिए, एक बात कहूँ आपसे मैं, और ये छोटी सी बात है. हम सब जो प्रोफेशन करते हैं, जो काम करते हैं, उसमें हमारा एक प्रोफेशनल साइड होता है, एक पर्सनल साइड होता है. वो हमारे खुद की चॉइस होती है, वो हम कितना एक्सपोज करें, शेयर करें. Rajat is a very shy boy from what I know him. He's one of the nicest people I know. And that is what I'm saying. Not everything that glitters is gold. Sometimes he may not glitter in front of you, but he's gold. He's shy. He has he doesn't like to talk too much to the press, and that's a personal choice. If you respect that, you'll know him to be a very nice man. No man on the set, no person on the set has ever said, including his directors, that Rajat ever leaves the set before his scene is over. He's the only one who sit alone, go through his dialogues. He has spent 5 months prepping for his character. He's a superhuman being. But he's shy, and I think we all come with our own little fears, our own little natural characteristics, and we should love each other for that.